Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just went grocery shopping and stocked the fridge up a little, got a couple things, and now I'm making John some tuna pasta salad. He wanted it for lunch this week. Sounds kind of gross. I'm not really into that, but he likes it, so I'll make it for him. I don't know if I mentioned I just ate dinner, and I'm gonna make some almond milk and just kind of get ready for the week. Cook some deviled eggs, just get a bunch of stuff done so I have some easy healthy meals ready to go for the week. And yeah, taking it pretty easy tonight, just trying to be productive, and then I'm gonna relax. But just felt like starting a vlog, a positive little vlog. And this week I want to spend the week reorganizing my house. I feel like I've just accumulated clutter. Not clutter, but they're just like things that I know I could get rid of that I don't need. So I'm gonna go through my whole house, reorganize, get rid of stuff. So I'm excited to do that, and I wanted to bring you guys along with. So I started organizing my closet today. Up here I had a bunch of like my boxes that my purses came in, and I just put them in a little storage area that we have in our house, and I just put my purses right there. I have a scarf in that box that I don't know where else to put, and like a bucket hat. And then in here I have like all of my kind of like wallets, clutches that I don't really use as much, so that's in there. I'm gonna get 2 more baskets for my bathing suits and then John's bathing suits. So I'm gonna head to Target. I think this is from Bed Bath & Beyond or something. So I'm gonna hope and see if I can find something similar, because I don't really want mixed match baskets. And then right here I just have all my gym tanks, sports bras, and then I still gotta organize everything else. My clothes, got John's clothes. And up here I just have all my Yeezy boxes. I don't know if you can see back there. And then I just have 2 Gucci boxes. I don't know where else to really put those, but I keep all my shoes here. This is where I keep my some of my jewelry. I don't know where else to keep it. I hate having it where my shoes are at, but I don't know where else to put it. So that's where it is for right now. So this is our crazy messy guest bedroom right now. Ignore. So we're getting rid of this furniture. I'm keeping this big chest. So I condensed everything from this drawer into there. So these are all empty except these bottom 2 have our bathing suits, which I'm going to Target, like I said, to get some baskets to put in our closet. And I cannot wait for this to be gone. So just organizing, getting rid of things and all of that. We have our deviled eggs here, guys. I don't know why it's all foggy in here. But in the egg yolk mixture, I just put some mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, and salt and pepper. Then put them in a little bag, plastic bag, piped them, and put some smoked paprika. Or actually, no, not smoked, regular paprika. And here you have a nice little high protein, delicious snack ready to go. I love doing things like this. It's so efficient, even though it's like more work in the beginning. It's so nice to have snacks like this just ready to go when you're in a rush. Hi guys, I just showered, got home from the gym, ate breakfast, so now I'm about to clean up my kitchen from dishes from last night and my breakfast. It's a whole ass mess right now. Also, sorry about my hair. It's just like really hating me today. It hates me every day, but especially today. But I never ended up going to Target yesterday to get those crates or baskets, whatever you want to call them. So that's what I'm gonna do after I clean this kitchen up. And I think I might go to Sephora as well because I'm running out of moisturizer and I need a new face wash. So maybe we'll go there as well. But first, time to clean up the kitchen. Okay guys, I just left Target and Sephora. Just got some things that I needed from Sephora. Target, I got the baskets. I'll show you those when I get home. But I got this Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse face wash. This is my favorite one ever. Anytime I don't use Tatcha's face washes, I just am not happy with my face wash. This is so gentle, so nice. I have one right now and I feel like it burns my eyes. It gets into my nose somehow, burns my nose, so I'm not into it. I just love Tatcha. I feel like my skin is clearest when I'm using Tatcha. Then my favorite moisturizer that I've used, I can't even tell you how many jars of this at this point, but I feel like it kind of goes pretty quickly. It's a Fresh Rose moisturizer, and I love it because you do not get that nasty greasy feeling, because most of the moisturizers I use, they always I look greasy throughout the day. My skin just drinks it up and I really love it. And then I got two of the best chapsticks in the whole entire world, Mario Badescu. I got mint and original. I'm obsessed with these. I've been using these forever. But why did I get these when I wanted to get the freaking Rhode lip balms that restock tomorrow? Well, I guess you can never have too many lip products. Do I need the Rhode? No. Do I want to try it? Yes. Oops. We'll see. This freaking pimple right here, though. We'll see if I even remember tomorrow for the restock. But now I kind of feel like going to Trader Joe's, so I think we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. I haven't been there in a while. I want to see what new products they have, so let's go. I just got home from Trader Joe's and I didn't really get anything good, but I thought I'd show you guys anyways. I just got some Red Skin organic potatoes, some eggs because I was running low, a lime for tonight's dinner, some figs, which I'm super excited about. I love figs. And this brown rice and quinoa gluten-free pasta. It's really good and the only ingredients are brown rice and quinoa. So I love picking that up when I'm there. And then just got some green beans for dinner. So just a couple of little things. I just made lunch real quick. It is so good. I use spring mix. And normally I have chopped up kale, but this week I forgot to buy it. And then I have breaded chicken with gluten-free breadcrumbs that I made yesterday, and then I just chopped it up. And we have red onions, cucumbers, shaved Parmesan, craisins, and then I made a homemade honey balsamic dressing, and it's so good. I cannot stop eating this salad, guys. You have to try it. It's delicious. Oh, and quinoa as well. I don't think I showed you guys the bins yet that I got from Target, but these are them. Super cute, and I just put them up on my shelf and they fit perfectly, so I'm going to put our bathing suits in them and then show you guys how I place them up in the closet. Okay guys, so I put John's bin right here. So I had my wallets and clutches right there, but it didn't fit because I have a piece of molding that you can't really see, or crown or whatever the hell it is, I don't know. These are my bathing suits. I'm gonna put them right here. It just looks so cute and organized. I love it. Out of sight, out of mind. Now I can get that furniture out of there and it's so cute and organized. I think I'm gonna get a third bin so it can match because I don't like the mix match look. But that's all done. Hey guys, it is now dinner time. I'm making this most amazing fajita Mexican bowl that I found on Half Baked Harvest and TikTok page. So I'm gonna make some guac first. And then I'm gonna cut up all my vegetables that I need. And yeah, I just put tomato, red onion, lime, salt, pepper in my guac, and it's really good. So that's what we're gonna start off with. Guac is done. It is so freaking good. So I'm gonna put a piece of saran wrap on it, keep it in the fridge until it's time for dinner. And the trick to not letting your guac turn brown is put the saran wrap on as tight as possible and won't let any air go through and it will not turn brown. I'll show you guys. And the reason I wear gloves is because I have to wash my hands so many times and my hands are drying out. So instead, I'd rather just wash the gloves. So now what you do is take this and pull on it so tight without ripping it. Just pull the guac got on it. Okay, I need a new piece. The guac got all messy. And just pull it really tight where it looks like it's literally, there's nothing on there, it's just glass. So that will keep it from browning. Now I'm just gonna chop up all my fajitas and onions and veggies. All right guys, here is dinner. It looks so good. So I have a bed of rice, the chicken and peppers. I did some fresh sliced jalapeno. I have my guac, some cotija cheese, however you pronounce it, and yeah, that's everything. It looks so delicious. Cannot wait to eat it. Look how yummy this little tuna bowl looks that I got from a grocery store we have called Vincent Joe's. It has like some tuna, some rice, some salmon, lettuce, shrimp, which I gotta take out. I can't have shrimp, but I thought it looked so yummy. I don't know why I'm exposing myself this way. Like psychotic baby hairs and this pimple that's just not going away. But I never updated you guys on the what's it called, dinner I made last night. So it was so good that I'm making it again tonight because I have all the ingredients. So I'm like, why not? I had leftover peppers, onions, guac, the dressing, and everything. So I'm making it again. It was probably one of my favorite dinners that I've made in a really, really long time. So I'm definitely going to link that recipe for you guys down below because you have to try it. So good. And if you're trying to stay away from dairy, which I'm still going back and forth about it. I've been avoiding gluten for a while, and then for the last 2 weeks I've been more lenient, and I'm just not feeling good. So I'm kind of thinking I want to avoid dairy as well. I don't know. I gotta see. I like keep teetering about it. I either gotta do it or not. I'm thinking too hard. But my oil's getting hot. But I don't know. You don't have to put cheese in it because you have to put the cojita cheese or whatever it's called, and you don't have to do that. And I think other than that, yeah, it's dairy free. So it is so good. I need to frickin' put this down. But it was so good and healthy and delicious. So I feel like it's definitely gonna be a go-to recipe for me. So if you need a new recipe, definitely try that one. I went to the pool today. I didn't really do much. Super, super chill day. And I did a bunch of computer work. There's literally nothing for me to vlog. I had another nail pop off. These nails are so bad. They're all breaking off. I don't have a nail appointment until next week, and I don't know how I'm going to survive with these nails. But I guess the worst things could happen, right? So anyways, it's going to be a pretty chill night. I'm going to just chill at home, eat this dinner, watch a little TV, probably edit most of this vlog. So, see ya.